Tax season is becoming unnerving for so many people across the state. As we first told you on Friday, hundreds of Michiganders are receiving 1099-G tax forms for thousands of dollars in unemployment benefits they never applied for nor received. Business editor Rod Maloney joins us live with an update. Rod, what a mess.
Yeah, Devin, I'll tell you what, I haven't had this kind of email response to a story in at least a year, perhaps even more, as we're seeing hundreds upon hundreds of people getting these 1099-Gs. They want help. They want to know what to do. They go to the unemployment office. They're not getting much help, and there's a lot of frustration out there. We've heard of Michiganders getting bad 1099-Gs from other states like Kentucky and Ohio. Others living in other states receiving them from the state of Michigan. Still today, there is a common theme.
$7,458.
That's how much the state says John Craig of Troy received on his bogus 1099-G. There's a lot of
frustration because I literally have been fighting this situation since last May. And I can't believe that it has gone on for, 9-10 months now, and yet I still can't get a resolution.
Eric Ostergren of Midland learned about his even before that. He's furious at
the general incompetence.
Eric sent us the paperwork behind the constant contact he's had with Lansing and the unemployment office over the past 10 months, including certified letters. He's still getting no help anywhere.
Very, very frustrating.
What's more, he isn't even eligible to receive unemployment. He owns his own security company and not allowed benefits.
They're giving money away to people that shouldn't get unemployment, and they're not taking care of people that should be getting it.
I am hoping at some point the governor opens up the state government, and I literally will drive to Lansing and plant myself in front of somebody and say, hey, I need to talk to somebody.
So what do? Well, here's what the unemployment office says to do. Go onto their website, if you can get on. They've been having difficulty today. File a report. You're looking for, I want to get specific here, you're looking for the identity theft tab. Hit that and then make a report and tell them about it. If in fact they get that and it gets processed, you should get back in a few weeks a corrected 1099-G. But if it comes tax time and you need to file your taxes and you don't have the corrected 1099-G, they're saying that you should write a note to the IRS that it was a fraudulent 1099-G and you're not going to pay the tax and you should not have to. You also need to put some information or at least some background on that. The other thing you need to do is to get yourself involved in ID theft protection, getting a hold of the credit bureaus to make sure that the ID theft hasn't gone beyond just that 1099-G. So that's what you need to do. We'll have more on clickondetroit.com. Reporting live in West Bloomfield, Rod Maloney, Local 4.
And just like the people who've been trying to file for benefits, it's going to take some tenacity online to stay with it. All right, Rod.